Wow, this one is Naya, famous restaurant there. Also this one in Baghdad. And we are always come here with Madam and Sir and their friends, because I think the owner of this one is friend of Madam also. I don't think so. Yeah, maybe. Okay. In Naya restaurant. That one is new bridge. That one. That one is new bridge. The moon. It's new. It's under of construction pa. It's not yet finished. Okay, ayan. O, ayan o. Siglit. Ayan pa yung mga workers. Yung mga equipment pala. Ayan. Ayan si Madam at saka friend niya. Tapos yung dalawang boys, that is twins. That is before, it's very small pa yan. It's 1 year. When first time we celebrate their birthday. Okay. Celine! Not yet car pa, Celine. Just wait. Okay. Oh. The family yata, it's here. Nissan! feeling hindi pala yan Nissan. Aray ko. I think it's Nissan. Feeling the car of Madam is not yet come pa. Okay. Ayan, I think that one is the under of construction pa there. You see? And then there is yet a guest. Oh, I don't know. There is some visitors. To celebrate yata. Celebration! That is yung mga anak yata yun. That is son of the owner. I think if I'm not mistaken. Ma-fall down kayong dalawa. Sometimes we are afraid. Aray ko. Very nice. Danaya. I don't know which floor that one. That is second and third floor. That is the third floor. Danaya. Oh. And that's what I start for. Danaya. Lago. Ayan na yung sasakyan ni Amo. Ayan na. Okay, Yela. Bye-bye. Hey, I'm coming.